Assembling a flash floor cartridge is very easy, and probably doesn't require an instructional video, but there are a few important factors in this video that we like for our customers to take note of. First important note, always keep the cartridge pointing in the upward position until you are ready to begin applying flash floor. This will prevent flash floor from prematurely mixing into the mouth of the cartridge or in the mixing nozzle. After opening the top of the package, pull out the cartridge, nut, and mixing nozzle. Remove the plastic cap from the neck of the cartridge and you will find the backflow restrictor inside the cap. Remove the two plugs from the mouth of the cartridge. Set the backflow restrictor over the mouth of the cartridge, making sure that the two holes of the backflow restrictor are aligned with the two openings of the cartridge. Slip the mixing nozzle over the backflow restrictor and firmly onto the mouth of the cartridge. Now slide the nut over the mixing nozzle and screw it onto the threaded neck of the cartridge. Your cartridge is now fully assembled and ready for use. Remember to keep the cartridge in the upright position until you are ready to use it.